Top 10 health tips for women. Let's begin with the first one. Zap your stress. The biggest issue I see in most of my patients is that they have too much on their plates and want to juggle it all. Stress can have a significant health consequences from infertility to high risks of depression, anxiety and heart disease. Find the stress reduction method that works for you and stick with it. Tip number 2. Stop dieting. Eating healthy doesn't mean you have to forgo your favorite glass of wine or piece of chocolate cake now and then. The key is moderation. Get a mix of lean proteins, healthy fats, smart carbs, and fiber. Tip number 3. Don't OD on calcium. Too much absorbed calcium can increase the risk of kidney stone and may even increase the risk of heart disease. If you are under 50, shoot for 1000 milligrams per day, while over 50 women should be getting 1200 milligrams per day, mainly through diet. About 3 servings of calcium-rich foods such as milk, salmon and almonds. Tip number 4. Do more than cardio. Women need a mix of cardio and resistance or weight-bearing exercise at least 3 to 5 times a week to help prevent osteoporosis, heart disease, cancer and diabetes. Exercise also promotes good self-image, which is really important to a woman's mental health. Tip number 5. Think about fertility. While many women have no problem getting pregnant in their late 30s and even into their early 40s, a woman's fertility may start to decline as early as 32. So if you want to have kids, talk to your doctor about options like freezing your eggs. Tip number 6. Appreciate birth control. Birth control gets a bad rap, but not only it can keep you from getting pregnant before you are ready. Studies show it can lower the risk of uterine and ovarian cancer as well as regulate your cycle. Tip number 7. See your doctor every year. Make sure you get a pap test to check for cervical cancer every 3 years if you are 21 or older. If you are 30 to 65, you can get both a pap test and HPV test every 5 years. Older than that, you may be able to stop testing if your doctor says you are low risk. If you are sexually active and have a higher risk of STDs, get tests for chlamydia, gonorrhea and syphilis. Yearly take an HIV test at least once, more frequently if you are at risk. Don't skip your yearly checkup. Your doctor needs to annually assess many other issues such as potential infection, your need for contraception and sexual complaints. Tip number 8. Have good sex. Sex reduces stress and may lower the risk of chronic disease, but only if you enjoy it. If anything prevents you from sexual fulfillment such as dryness or pain, talk to your doctor to find a solution. Tip number 9. Get more sleep. Sleep needs differ, but if you have trouble getting out of bed, tire easily, or have trouble concentrating, you likely are not getting enough. Recent studies suggest this can put you at greater risk of heart disease and psychological problems. Tip number 10 and the last one. Consider genetic testing. Doctors can now screen people with a family history of breast cancer, ovarian cancer and chronic diseases to assess their risk and then consider preventive measures. Talk to your doctor.